This tutorial shows you how to sort and manage your saved pages efficiently. First, open the Chrome browser on your computer. After that, click on the three dots menu at the top right. From there, hover over Bookmarks and Lists. At this point, click on Bookmark Manager. In the next step, this opens a full page showing all your saved bookmarks and folders. Following this, click on the three dots next to any bookmark to rename, edit, or move it. Once done, click on New Folder at the top if you'd like to create categories for organizing your bookmarks. From here, drag and drop individual bookmarks into these folders to keep things organized. At this stage, use the search bar at the top of Bookmark Manager if you're trying to quickly find a specific saved page. Keep in mind, right-click anywhere within Bookmark Manager for quick options, like adding a new folder or bookmark directly from this menu. Finally, close this tab once you've finished organizing your bookmarks the way you like. And that's it. If this guide helped you organize bookmarks with Chrome Bookmark Manager on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.